it has changed the game plan. It has changed the way priorities are established, not only for industry but also for regulators who are overseeing the availability of critical drugs. Given that COVID-19 has been associated with some specific conditions, it has been a game changer. Companies have had to review and re-examine the drugs that are a priority for them, but also developing ways to reinforce and to strengthen the supply chain itself, meaning the sources of where these drugs are coming from, or any of their components, the availability of these components. Some countries, as we all know, have had some challenges in supplying these some of the raw materials. Therefore, those are real big challenges because many companies in their application did not have alternate suppliers for some of the key components of their drug product. So this has been a game changer. They've not only had to go and try to identify new suppliers, but then working towards qualifying these new suppliers to ensure that the quality of the material that they're receiving meets the required standards. So that in itself is one of the biggest impact that it's had. And aside from the supply in itself, the increased demand that some of these drugs now have. We will be talking much more about this through case studies, examples, trends, and questions and answers during the upcoming 2020 ISPE Asia Pacific Pharma Manufacturing Virtual Conference and Executive Forum. We hope to see you there.